Storytelling is so much important. So today I want to cover this topic: how every presentation can be converted into powerful story. It includes several steps, and today I am also learning, right? Because when you learn, you can also share. So this is the video, right? So introduce the villain. Start with the problem you are solving by being specific. What pain points does your audience face? When they relate to the problem, they will stay engaged. Second, position your solution as a hero. Once the problem is clear, show how the solution saves the day. Don't just explain it, make it exciting and aspirational. Third, add personal touches. Share anecdotes about how your solution came to be or how it has impacted your life. Personal stories build trust and make your message memorable. Fourth, use the power of three. People remember things better in thrives. Break your story into three key parts. The first is the challenge, the second is the solution, and third is the result. Fifth, create a visual journey. Use slides to complement your words, not replace them. Visuals like simple diagrams, bold images, or one key phrase per slide keep the audience engaged. Last, end with impact. Close your story with a powerful takeaway or call to action. What do you want your audience to remember? Do after your presentation. So these are some of the key points that you need to keep in mind when you're telling a story, because when you tell a powerful story with all these points, the audience keeps you the way engaged, and you also feel powerful, right? Because everything is a story, your life itself is a story, right? And we are here to share our story, to share our experience. So this is the best way that you can learn, right? Introduce the villain. What is the problem that people are facing? Try to solve that problem, right? Next is, and how they feel, right, about the pinpoints or about the problem pinpoints that the problem is giving you, right? And now position your solution as a hero. What is the solution that they can do, right? And make it exciting and aspirational, right? It is so much important to make it excited, to stay entertained, right, throughout the story, throughout the journey, right? Add personal touches, add anecdotes, right, or your personal message or some personal saying, right? Like, hello divine beings, this is kind of my personal story, my personal thing, right? Use the power of three. There is a challenge, the solution, and the result, which you already decided, right? Introducing the villain is a challenge, right? Positioning is like the solution, and the result is the personal touches, kind of, right? Create a visual journey, right? You have to create a visual journey which will resonate with what you are saying. You can add images, right? You can add bold images, key phrases per slide, and all that. This will keep the audience engaged. Next is end with impact, right? Now my call to action is here in this video is to build a community, right? Because we are here to make difference in this world, right? We are here to change the world, and this is the first step. If you like, share and subscribe and share to others who are powerful story creators, yeah? Because creating is something, you see now in this world everyone is consuming, but creating is so much powerful when you give up the consuming power, right? You are watching this video because you want to learn something, there is another part, but there are other things which you are consuming which is not good, right? Always check when it comes to education and entertainment. So what are you watching currently? You are learning something, so you are more focused on education and not entertainment. But in general life, both is essential, education but entertainment, but it is your choice that makes difference. So what is your choice right now? Right now it is learning, it is lifelong learning, it is education. That's why we are here, right? Next, rehearse until it's natural. Practice telling your story loud. So I am practicing right now, telling my story loud, and make it comfortable, right? And make more passion, more authenticity. I am authentic whatever I am saying, right? And it will shine through. People will remember this. This is how you create a story. Everyone has a story to tell, right? Whether it's good, bad, everyone has a solution. Everyone is focusing, everyone is brainstorming, right? Each and every day. So you can journal it, right? You can just meditate on thoughts. For example, if you are having some problem, right, and you just want to solve, right, so just sit with it or sleep with it, with that thought, and try to visualize and try to meditate on it, and you will get a solution, because all your solution lies within. We have to focus inner side, and that way we can get the solution of what we are facing, right? So it's just a practice. It's just like, so even if you're not a good storyteller, right, even if you're not powerful storyteller, because I don't consider myself like superior or to someone or something, because I am in competition with myself only, what my previous self was and right now what I am. So even if you are not powerful storyteller, you can just focus on all these points, right, and make a great story. And storytelling is like we used to do during our child also, right? Our elders used to tell bedtime story, right? And they just we need to remember a lot of things, that my dadi and my grandma and all that, they are saying all this, and still I remember, right? Why? Because it's a story, it is creating an impact, right? So powerful storytelling is the thing that you have to rehearse and practice, and it will come to practice, right? No one is perfect in this world, everything is like having challenges and flaws, but practice makes a man perfect, right? You have to practice. So for example, there are a lot of people who are questioning me that I'm not good communication in English, or I'm having problems and all that. So I give only one solution. Okay, just you just turn your phone on, right? Face the front camera and start speaking, right? Start speaking what you're feeling. In that way you are communicating also, you are learning also, you are sharing also. Record it, and if you feel that it is powerful, and it is like someone who can engage it with, you can share on social media, maybe on Instagram or something. So in two ways you are making an impact. You are also changing the world, and you're also learning something, right? Most of the people just give up learning throughout their life. They think that they are graduate or they're the master, then it's all over. No, it's not. Because the ultimate key to financial freedom is lifelong learning. I again repeat, I have made previously regarding video regarding this, but I would like to repeat that ultimate goal of financial freedom, if you want to achieve, is lifelong learning only. Because when you when you give up on learning, you are not updating yourself, and the rest of the world is already ahead of you, have already upgraded, but you are still the same. You have not changed, you have not learned something, you have not become your greatest version, right? Which is the best like bigger hindrance, right, in your all-round development and everything, even your personality, even your thinking, right? Because everything is in mental, everything is in mind. So this is the way how you can create a powerful story in your mind. Picture that in your mind and get it out. Picture that in your mind and get it out, because all is in mind, everything is in mental. It is already mentioned in the seven hermetic principles that governs the entire universe. So when you are powerful from here, from mind, you can achieve and you can do whatever you want. So these are some of the steps I would like to do. Introduce the problem, position your solution as a hero, add your personal touches which you want, use the power of three, that is the challenge, the solution and the results, and create a visual journey. Maybe you can add images or diagram or something that resonates with the story, and end with the impact. You can add a call to action, just like I am doing here, and I am making an impact, I am trying to build something. And yeah, and you can also rehearse it, right? You can rehearse yourself here, telling your story out loud, right? More comfortable you are, the more your position and authenticity will shine through. That's what I am doing, right? I am making my impact, and I am making my story so powerful by rehearsing each and every day and not giving up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.